Hey, welcome back to the Climber Dad channel. I just want to make a quick video for you here. There is this sweet systems board that we built at Clarksville Climbing, and we've got it built and it's up. It's ready to go, except for one thing. That's holds. Holds can be very expensive. We'll hopefully fill this up with holds. But in the meantime, we are going to turn it into a campus board. Campus rungs are also cost money, but you can do something like this and make your own. And I'm going to talk about that. I'm just going to some talking points here. I made these late last night in my overcrowded workshop, and I just didn't take the time to record it. Sorry about that. Maybe next time I'll throw some video up of me making this. If you want that, let me know. So this is how you do it. It's a scrap piece of 2x4. It's 16 inches long. Now I think that it would be better to actually go 22 inches long, and I'll talk about why you would do 22 instead of 24. But I drill down with a paddle bit, a 1-inch paddle bit. And that gives you a nice flat bottom here where you're going to put in a washer. So they are 2 inches in and then 6 inches spread. And then 2 inches. And that's why you would do 22 instead of 24. You'd have 2 inches, a 6-inch spread, you would have one more bolt here, so you'd have a total of 4 bolts, and then a 2-inch space on the other end. So either 16 or 22 works really well for doing this style of campus rung. And then after you get this paddle bit drilled out, you want to drill the center of that out with a 7/16 inch drill bit. And then all that's left is to bolt this baby up onto the wall. One last thing. You gotta sand this puppy down. Everybody loves sanding, right? Maybe not. Maybe I don't actually like sanding. But I have a belt sander that makes it a lot easier. And just sand that down. Sand it nice and smooth. If you see there's no cut angles right here. It's just nice and smooth all the way around. I hope this helps. Comment down below if you would like to see me actually build these things. And I'll try to make that happen. And thanks for watching this channel, Climber Dad. I really appreciate the support. Rock on.